What if I told you that the biggest reason you're not losing fat isn't because you're eating too much or exercising too little? What if the thing you've been blaming for years isn't actually the problem? Millions of people work harder every week, yet their body barely changes. So what are they missing? Stay with me, because one simple shift could completely change the way you think about cutting fat. Here's the frustrating part. Most people think fat loss is about suffering, more cardio, less food, longer workouts. But have you noticed something? The harder many people try, the harder their progress seems to stall. That's because fat loss isn't a punishment, it's a system. And when one part of that system is broken, everything else becomes harder. Today, I'm going to show you what almost nobody talks about and why understanding this can make your next cut dramatically more effective. Let's start with mistake number 1, treating calories like the only thing that matters. Yes, being in a calorie deficit is essential, but here's the catch. If you're constantly hungry, losing strength, sleeping poorly, and feeling exhausted every day, you're probably creating a deficit your body doesn't want to maintain. Think of your body like a smartphone. You can lower the brightness to save battery, but if you leave every app running in the background, the battery still drains fast. Your body works the same way. Poor recovery, high stress, too little protein, too little sleep. These are the apps quietly draining your progress. Here's another mistake. Trying to burn off bad eating habits with endless cardio. Have you ever finished an hour of cardio only to feel hungrier than before? That's not a lack of willpower. That's biology trying to protect your energy. Surprisingly, successful fat loss starts before your workout even begins. Focus on preserving muscle while losing fat, because muscle is like the engine in a car. Strength training tells your body, keep this muscle, we still need it. Prioritize protein. It keeps you fuller for longer and helps your body recover after training. Then comes something most people completely ignore: daily movement, walking, taking the stairs, standing more often. These small actions quietly add up over weeks and months, just like compound interest. Recovery matters. Poor sleep affects hunger, energy, workout performance, and recovery. Stress increases cravings and slows progress. Sometimes improving fat loss isn't about adding more work. It's about removing what's quietly holding you back. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Missing one workout isn't failure. Having one high-calorie meal isn't failure. Giving up is. Track trends, not daily fluctuations. Real progress lives in weeks, not days. Fat loss is more like planting a tree than microwaving dinner. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, lift, walk, eat enough protein, sleep 7 to 8 hours, and stay consistent. Remember, fat loss isn't about finding a secret trick. It's about mastering the fundamentals. Keep showing up, keep learning, and your future self will thank you for every decision you make.